Hi everyone. Tonight for supper I'm going to be making two things. First, I'll be making Mayo roasted potatoes. I'm also going to be making air fryer ranch pork chops. What goes into the Mayo roasted potatoes? 3 pounds of baby potatoes, and these are yellow baby potatoes. 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon dried parsley, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon paprika, kosher salt, and fresh ground pepper to taste. You need 4 1-inch thick boneless pork chops, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons ranch seasoning mix, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon smoked paprika, this is optional, salt and pepper to taste, and fresh parsley for garnish. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 425. Wash and scrub your potatoes. Take a large bowl, dump in your 1 cup of mayonnaise. And if you want it a little bit tangier, you could probably use Miracle Whip. Your 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, your 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, salt and pepper to taste, kosher salt and fresh ground pepper. And mix that until thoroughly combined. And then add the potatoes to the mayonnaise mixture. And toss that until fully coated. I'll finish that and I'll be right back. Spread these potatoes out on a rimmed baking sheet. Spread them out evenly. There are some small ones in there, so they'll get done probably quicker. Hopefully they don't burn. And bake in a preheated 425-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes until they are tender. While the potatoes are cooking, we'll get started on the air fryer ranch pork chops. Take a small bowl, combine your 2 tablespoons of ranch seasoning, your 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, your 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and that is optional and I am using it, and salt and pepper to taste. And mix that up. Brush both sides of your pork chops with the oil. I'm going around the sides just a little bit because I want to try to season the sides as well. Then rub your seasoning all over the pork chops. Be generous. Flip it over and do the other side. Get all the sides if you can. Let them set aside while I preheat the air fryer. All right, so I'm preheating the air fryer at 375. I'll cook it for 10 minutes at 375, flipping halfway through. Okay, so I'm going to add the food. I'm going to lay my liner down, and you could probably sprinkle a little bit of oil on that. Put in your pork chops in a single layer. I'm going to move them over. Don't have enough room to do it all 4 on one side. And then we'll cook it for 12 minutes. I'll be checking it at 10. Needs to be an internal temperature at 145. After 23 minutes, I took them out of the oven. I checked to see if they are tender, and they are not. They did get a little bit brown on the bottom because of the mayonnaise that had laid on the bottom. I'll cook them for a couple of more minutes, and when they're tender, then I will broil them for a few minutes, checking to make sure they get brown but not burnt. Flip them around a couple of times while they are broiling. So here are the 2 things that I made: air fryer ranch pork chops and mayonnaise roasted potatoes. Let's see what Dave thinks. You got 2 things to taste test.
Oh, both of these?
Both of them.
Okay.
Well, you shouldn't have taken such a big bite.
That was hot.
You won't be able to taste the pork chop now. It burned your tongue. That is Mayo roasted potatoes.
They're very good. But you're right, I shouldn't have taken such a big bite. Pork chop's good too.
That is air fryer ranch pork chops.
Well, you put like a powdered ranch mix or something on it?
Yeah, the seasoning mix, plus some other spices.
Those are both really good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.